welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will give you introduction to the vitamins, and I will also explain you some of the types of vitamins. They are the organic substances Vitamins are the organic substances that are required in the micronutrients. They are the organic substances, they are required in the micronutrients. Micronutrients means that they are required in the smaller quantities, and generally many of them do not suffer with vitamin deficiency diseases. Why? Because vitamins are not produced naturally by the body. Vitamins are not produced by the body. They are produced by the bacteria that is present in the body, but itself the body cannot produce the vitamins, and the body will obtain the vitamins by the two methods. Number one is diet and number two is bacteria. Diet means that what we take, the food what we take is called as diet. And bacteria, the bacteria which is present in our intestines will produce the vitamins. So by these two methods the body will obtain vitamins. Are of two types. Number one, water soluble vitamins. And number two is fat soluble vitamins. Some of the examples of water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. And some of the examples of fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and vitamin K. These are the examples of water soluble vitamins, and these are the examples of fat soluble vitamins. In the word water, in the sentence water soluble vitamins, it means that they can dissolve in the water, and the sentence fat soluble vitamins means that they can be dissolved or they are soluble to the fats. I had said you that in the examples of water soluble vitamins, they are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. Now I will tell you the names of these vitamins B complex and vitamin C. So the name of the vitamin C is ascorbic acid. This is the vitamin C. And coming to the B complex vitamins, they are thiamine. Thiamine is B1. As it is B complex, the thiamine vitamin is indicated or represented by B1. Next one is riboflavin. Riboflavin vitamin is indicated by B2. And next one is niacin. This is B3. And the fourth one is cyanocobalamin. This is B6. And fifth one is folic acid. And sixth one is anemianic acid anthrapols. Pyridoxine. This pyridoxine is indicated by B6 or it is called as B6. Next, fifth one is cyanocobalamin. This cyanocobalamin is indicated by B12. And the sixth one is folic acid. Seventh one is ascorbic acid. And eighth one is biotin. So these are the 8 B complex vitamins, and this is the C vitamin, ascorbic acid. So now coming to the fat soluble vitamins of the fat soluble vitamins, they are A, D, E and K. So vitamin A is retinol. Vitamin D is calciferol. Here the vitamin D is also called as sunshine vitamin. The vitamin which is obtained by the sunlight is called as sunshine vitamin, that is vitamin D, calciferol. And coming to the vitamin E is, and the last vitamin, vitamin K is phylloquinone. So these are fat soluble vitamins A, D. In the next video I'll upload you the resources of these vitamins, their symptoms and their diseases. So I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.